In this video, I'll show you how to buy something with Bitcoin on Cash App. To get started, open Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, tap the icon in the bottom left corner to access the main menu. From here, go to the Bitcoin section where you'll see the Bitcoin price graph. Tap on the option that says Buy Bitcoin. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can choose any amount you're comfortable with, whether it's a small test amount or a larger purchase. After entering the amount, confirm the transaction. Cash App may ask you to verify the purchase, and once it's confirmed, you'll see a message showing that you've successfully bought Bitcoin. At this point, the Bitcoin is now available in your Cash App account. Next, if you're buying something with Bitcoin, most sellers or websites will ask you to send Bitcoin directly to their wallet address. To do this, stay on the Bitcoin screen and tap the arrow icon. Then select Send Bitcoin. You'll now see a screen where you can choose how much Bitcoin you want to send. Below the send amount, Cash App shows how much Bitcoin you currently have available, so make sure the amount you're sending does not exceed your balance. After entering the amount, look for the field that says Name, Hashtag, or BTC address. This is where you paste the Bitcoin wallet address provided by the person or website you're buying from. The address will usually be a long string of letters and numbers. Take a moment to carefully check the address because Bitcoin transactions are permanent and cannot be reversed once sent. When you're sure the address is correct, tap Next. Now, Cash App will ask you to choose how fast you want the Bitcoin transfer to be processed. Faster options usually cost a bit more in network fees, while slower options may take more time to confirm. Select the option that works best for you, then tap Next. You'll see a final confirmation screen showing the Bitcoin amount and the destination wallet address. Review everything one last time, then tap Done to complete the transaction. Once the transaction is sent, the Bitcoin will be transferred to the seller's wallet, and your purchase will be completed once the network confirms it. Always remember to only send Bitcoin to trusted sellers and verified wallet addresses to avoid losing your funds. Since Bitcoin payments involve financial data and online transactions, it's important to keep your connection secure, especially on public or shared networks. Using a trusted VPN can help protect your privacy and add an extra layer of security. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price.